Hello everyone. Hope all are fine. Yes. Every day we are learning one good things. How to handle with the fire, then how to use the knife. Yes, no? Yes. Today we will learn something about safety on the road. Yes, no? Everyone will go outside with parents. Especially those of your age children, you need to go with your parents on the road. Why? Why can't you go alone on the road? Yes, because there will be lot of vehicles like car, buses, autos will be moving on the road, no? If you go outside alone or if you run to cross the road from here left to right or right to left, the vehicles may rush on you. Yes, no? So what you have to do? You have to take your mama's help or father's help to cross the road. Yes? Yes. I know that you all love to ride a bicycle. Where you ride a bicycle? On the road? No? Then where? Yes, near to you, your house. That is on the footpath. There where you have to ride a bicycle, it should be a safety place. Either you can go a ride in the ground. Correct, no? Or nearby your house, any park side, or you need to ride a bicycle on the footpath. Yes, when we are talking about road, there will be some signals. You all know the signals. What are those? Red, green and yellow. Already you learnt in nursery, right? What is the importance of that colors? Yes. Red means you need to stop your vehicle. Yellow means you should get ready. Then green means you can go. That is the clearance for your vehicle. Yes, children, you need to be safe yourself when you go outside on the road. Okay? You all understood? Yes. Now shall we move to our class? Okay, first one is our English. Yesterday what we learned? The ending consonants. Ending consonants. Correct, no? Yesterday we learned ending consonants of B, D, F and G. What do you mean by ending consonant? The last letter of the word. Like if I read sweet, the ending consonant is T. Th. The last phonic sound of the letter is ending consonant. Okay. Today we will go to second set. Okay. What is that? Which letters are that? K, L, M, N. Which letters are that? K, L, M and N. Now today we are learning the ending letters of the words which ends with K, L, M, N. Okay? First we will take K. Yes, children, I understood it will be little bit difficult to you because the starting beginning consonants is easier than the ending consonant. Correct. K make a sound K. K make a sound K. Correct? K make a sound K. First one is milk. Every day you drink, no? That is milk. Okay? Second one is silk. Okay? Second word is silk. Milk, Then black. You all know the color. It's a black. K. The last word will be the ending consonant. Okay? Yes. Next, we will go to another letter, that is L. Can you tell me some words? Bell, then well, then what? Bell, well, then tail, so on. So many words will be there. I am writing just and giving three examples. Okay? Bell, well, tail. Okay, these are the words ending consonants of L. Okay? Next, the letter is our M. M. Can you give some example? Palm. P-A-M-M. What is palm? This is palm. Then slim. Slim. Then what else? Trim. Okay, these are some examples for ending consonant word letter M. Palm, slim, trim. Okay? Yes, ending consonant means the last word of the word. The last letter of the word is called the ending consonant. N means the word should end with the letter N. N. What are the letters? What are the words? Pen, pen, sing. Okay, what do you mean by sing? Sing is a mistake, what we did. Okay, pen, ten, sing. These are some examples of the ending consonant for the letter N. Okay, children, again I am revising this. The ending consonants set 2. What are those? K-L-M-N. K-L-M-N. K, milk, K, milk, silk, then black or bulk or pluck, anything. Okay? L, bell. Okay, ending consonants for L. L. L makes a sound. L. Bell, well, male, tail, bale, fail. So many words is there. Okay, for ending consonant of L. L make a sound. L. L. M. M make a sound. M. M make a sound. M. What are those? Palm, silk, slim, slim, then trim, then N. What are the letter words ending with N? Pen, ten, sing, men, fen, fan. So many words will be there ending with N. Okay, children, you can do one thing. If you have so many doubts regarding its ending consonant, take your own class workbook or any rough book and you write some words of the ending consonant so that you come to know. Okay, now today's homework is as usual. Homework is reading readiness book. Okay, reading readiness book. What they are given? Ending consonants are the sound that come at the end of a word. First, what you have to write? Why you have to write your name, year and date. Name and date. Today's date is 30th 9th, 30th September. You have to write the date. Okay. In that, what they are given? First, write the correct letter to complete each word. What are that? Yolk. K. Y-O-L-K. K you have to write. Next one is jam. M. M means M. Like that you have to complete the page number 15. 16 they are given two activities. One is milk. K. K you have to write. Bowl. L. Ending consonant. L you have to write. Then next activity is you need to match with the corresponding ending letter. Okay, first you take two columns, then you go to the third column. Okay, that you can do no? Yes. This is for your English homework. Now we are moving to our next one is maths. Next one is our maths. Yesterday, what we learned? 1 to 11. 1 to 10, 11 to 20 numbers. Number names we learned. After that, what we learned? We learned some patterns. Patterns means two objects or two pictures which occurs one after the other. Okay, that is called the pattern. Today I will give and review. Okay, numbers. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, this is the numbers. You all know the number names also, no? You have written no exam yesterday the homework number names. Yes. This you need to regularly practice in your 4 lines book. Okay? That you do now? Okay. Now today we are moving to next. What is the pace? What do you mean by pace? Have you heard any pace? What do you mean by pace? Yes? What do you mean by pace? It's nothing but a same kind of pictures. Two pictures make a pair. I'll show you. See, I am writing 1, 3, 1, 3. This is a pair of tail. I am writing one cat, one cat. This is a pair of cat. This is a pair of flowers. The same kind of pictures, two pictures makes a one pair. Okay, these two makes a pair. Same kind of things or same pictures, same kind of pictures is a pair. Okay. See, if I write here one leaf and one flower, this is not a pair. will not make a pair. Yes? Yes. Only two pairs. Pairs means both should be same. Same to same. For example, I'll show you some example for this. Okay? Like I have two pencils. Is this a pair? Yes. I have one pencil, one pencil. Total a pair. A pair of pencils. Okay? Like that I have spoons. One spoon, one spoon. How many spoons I have? Two spoons. This is a pair. Okay? Like that I have two small dice. Okay, sorry. A small circular thing. Can you see this? What is this? These both are same, right? Because both are in same color, same circle. So this is a pair. 1 and 1 makes one pair. See, I have 1, 2 straws. This is a pair. Okay. If I take one straw and one side pencil, this is not a pair. This is wrong. Okay. I should pair pencil with the pencil. This is a pair and straw with the straw. This is a pair. Okay. We can't pair like this different objects or pictures. We can't pair. We have to pair the same kind of things. See, pencil, one pencil is a one pair. One straw is a one pair. Okay. Now I will show you some parts in our body. We also have some pairs. What are those? We have two ears. Correct? No? Two ears. We have in the parts we have two ears. We have two eyes. Yes, we have two palms. We have two hands. We have two legs. We have two feet. Correct, no? Two ears, two eyes, two palms, two hands. Hands means including everything. Palm is only this one. Okay? Two legs, two feet. Like that we have parts. We have in our body also we have some pair of parts. Nose we have only one, but the nose holes we have two. The holes is in pair, but nose we have only one. Mouth is also one neck, one stomach. That and all it is in the one. The other parts ears, eyes, hands, arms, palms, legs, feet. These all are in pairs. Okay? You also have the pair of your organs. Yes. Inside our body also we have two kidneys. There is only one lungs. Lung have not a pair, but we have two kidneys. Heart also don't have a pair. It has also only one heart. Correct? Yes. With that, at home you can see so many pairs, like pairs of socks, pairs of shoes, pairs of gloves. Okay? I'll do one small activity for these pairs. Match with the match with pair. Okay, I will draw some pictures. Okay, what is that? First one, I will draw one small house. both pictures. I have drawn little bit changes in their sizes. Okay. 1 second. I will draw. Okay. For seeing it may little bit difference in that, but the pictures are same. Okay. First one is our house. Can you find match the with their particular page? Yes. Where is the house? You need to match like this. House to house. Next one is cat. Can you see the cat? Yes. Yes. You need to pair this cat A with the cat B. Yes. Next is mango. Can you see the mango? Yes. You need to match the mango with mango. The last one is sun. Can you match the sun with the sun? Yes, we can, because we have one sun on the both the sides. Okay? Yes, you all understood? Yes, like this you need to match with pair. Okay? The same kind of objects you need to match. For this, there is no homework today for the maths. Okay, what you have to do? You have to take your square book. I am giving the homework. What you have to write? Square book. In the square book, today there is no worksheet and all, so I am giving the homework. Square book, you have to draw any pictures. Okay, in the square book, you all have the square book, right, or box book. You have to draw any pictures. How I drawn here, like this, you can draw any pictures, and you jump and draw the same pictures that side. Okay, you need to match this one. Okay, this will do now. Yes? Okay. This is for your maths. Now we are going to EVS. Okay, now we are going to EVS. Yesterday, what we learned? My home. Yesterday about what we learned? My home. In that what we learned? First one is puja room. Then living hall. Then dining hall. Okay, yesterday what we learned? Puja room, living hall, dining hall, study room and kitchen. Today we are moving some other things like bathroom, what is the use of bathroom? Yes, every day we will take bath in the bathroom. Yes, no? And in the morning routine, we will sit in the commode. Yes, no? Yes, this is the bathroom where we will become clean and tidy. Yes, no? That is in the bathroom. Okay? Next, seventh one is your balcony. Balcony. Okay. What is the balcony? What is the balcony? Where you will go for a small walk. There you get a fresh air and you can sit and peep outside. Yes, no? Yes. Next one is, eighth one is garden. It's your favorite place where you can see different kinds of flowers, plants, leaves and all you can see there in the garden. Yes? Yes. The ninth one is your basement. In the basement, what you will see? You will keep your car parkings, vehicle parkings and all you do on in the basement. Correct, no? Yes. In the garden and in the basement. In some houses there will be TV room. In some houses, in big houses, you will see TV room. There will be one projector, big screen with that TV connected. Okay, it's like a mini theater also. Okay, these all are some rooms every day where we will live. This including of all this is a home. First one is puja room, living hall, dining hall, study room, kitchen, bathroom, balcony, garden, basement and TV room. Okay, this including all this is our home. Now children, your work is first you should learn your home address. Okay, what is address? What will be there in the address? What you have to learn in the address. Okay, I'll teach you. In that there will be door number. Okay, then what will be there? Your house door number, your street where you are living, your street where you are living, then your area name, then what? Door number, your street, area name, then what will be there? Your pin code. Then what? Your state. Sorry, your town name. Town name. Okay. Then what will comes? Your state. Okay. This is very important. You should know your door number, your street name, area name, the area, town name, the town pin code and state, which state you are. And with that the phone number because it's very important. If you misplace anywhere, if you miss anywhere, that time you should, if you know the address, you can tell easily. For the person, they will come and bring them. Okay, this is your home address that you need to buy at. You ask your mama or father, then they will guide you, then you can buy at it. Okay, this is the my home and concept. Yesterday I gave you some homework, no, to draw something in your book. Today EVS homework is draw scenery in drawing book. It should include your house structures also. Okay. The second one is my art and 11 and 12. Okay, what they are given? One is scenery. Color the picture with bright crayon as shown. Then photo frame. Place your family photo in the center and you need to color the shells with different colors. Okay, this you will do now. My art and card book, page number. My art and card book, page number 11 and 12. Okay, EVS, you have to draw a nice scenery in drawing book. Okay, this is all for today. Enjoy your day. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.